You come to Vietnam first time?
What, sorry?
You come to Vietnam first time?
Yes.
Can you speak Vietnamese?
No.
Now I introduce to you, my name is Nhúc.
Okay.
Now I give you some information about Mỹ Sơn.
Okay.
Mỹ Sơn site here belong to the Champa civilization. Champa who built temple here. Champa people different you, different me. Champa people quite dusky. Curly hair. Look like Indonesian.
Okay.
Some Vietnamese scientists give a theory. Champa people came from the Java island in Indonesia. Just theory, but not exactly. The Champa kingdom founded in 2nd century AD. Champa kingdom founded in 2nd century AD. During 4th century, they built capital city far from here 20 kilometers. King and royal family live there, not live here. Here not capital city. Here Champa Hindu legend center. Champa people were in Hinduism. Champa people worship Hindu gods here. Hindu, you know, a lot of gods, a lot of animals. Here, Champa people worship the god Shiva. Shiva Indian god. In the 4th century, Champa king came here to build a wooden temple. The wooden temple here gone by fire in the late 6th century. And after that, early 7th century, Champa people rebuilt a brick and sandstone. 7th to 13th century, more than 71 temples in 40 hectares. After 13th century, Champa people still came here to pray, but they stopped building temple here because Champa country not good politics, not good economic. And during the 15th century, Champa people left and moved to the south. 15th century to 19th century, nobody knew the place. In the 1885, a French soldier discovered the place. Did you know the Vietnam two big wars?
Yeah.
French American. French discovered the place in 1885. After that, French scientists came here to research Champa history, research Champa writing. France designed map and named many different groups. You see group A, group B, group C, so on. The French named different groups to research easily. The group here, different time, different century, because different king build different temple here. 78 king built more than 71 temple. Here just give for upper class, not give for every people. Give for king and royal member, not give for low class.
Ok,
Give
only
for
for
upper
royal.
class. Yeah. When French
Faccio un breve riassunto. La nostra guida ci ha raccontato che il popolo Champa è arrivato qua probabilmente dall'isola di Giava intorno al IV secolo. E qui hanno costruito un importante tempio dedicato a Shiva ed era meta di adorazione di gran parte della popolazione Champa. Sono stati qua il popolo Champa fino circa al 1400, poi sono stati assorbiti dalla popolazione vietnamita. Verso il 1930 sono stati fatti i primi restauri per opera dei francesi, che avevano costituito un primo sito archeologico e avevano iniziato a restaurare gli edifici. Purtroppo molti edifici sono andati distrutti durante la guerra del Vietnam, quella che loro chiamano guerra americana. Dà sempre a loro la responsabilità della distruzione degli edifici.
protect for Shiva.
Okay.
Can you guess she male or female?
Female?
Just male. Joni Linga. Hindu people worship the Lord Shiva like a linga. It's just male, not female. Joni, female, male.